Hey there, how are you doing? Team Nokia Powers are here, and as you can see, I have a Nokia 8 in my hand. The good news is that this Nokia 8 has recently received the Android 8.0 Oreo update, and it has updated to Android 8.0 already. So HMD started releasing or rolling out the Android 8.0 Oreo to Nokia 8 globally, and the good news is that the update will roll out to all the Nokia 8 over 2 days. But if your device is tied to some operator, then it may take slightly more time, maybe like one more week. So Nokia 8 with Android 8, Android 7.1.1 was a very fast, very smooth working device. We have posted the performance test of Nokia 8, where you saw that it, I mean, handles many games, lots of browser tabs, and many games, many apps open in the background with utter ease without breaking a sweat. Even when you even like I think other YouTubers, not us, other YouTubers, they compared Nokia 8 in terms of performance to like iPhone X, iPhone 8 Plus, Galaxy S8 Plus, Galaxy Note 8, all sort of devices, all sort of flagships, and it was like it managed to beat them all in the speed test. So as we said, it's not our test, but rather tests but done by many YouTubers. So you can go and check on Nokia Power User where we have posted it, and it did really well. So what happens with Android Oreo now? So so I mean, the first question that we wanted to check whether Nokia 8 performed equally well or better or worse with Android 8.0 Oreo. So if we talk about our impressions of Nokia 8 with Android Oreo till now, it has gained a bit in performance. I think, I mean, speed, general navigation, general, scrolling, etc. You will see that similar kind of. So you would not make able to make out because it was already very fast with Android 7.1.1. But if you kind of devote more time, if it is your daily driver, then you will feel that it has become noticeably small. I mean, a bit more, bit better than what it was with Android 7.1.1. More of that will reflect when you go to do multitasking. So I'm not saying that Nokia 8 with Android 7.1.1 was anyway, I mean, it was really really blazing fast. Now it has slightly, I mean, it has gained in performance a bit. So we will go and check the multitasking part. So here we have again many things open in the background, three of the games. So one of them is Injustice Among Men Among Gods, so which is a very heavy game. Then we have Subway Surfer open in the background. Then we have, okay, Sniper 3D. It is open in the background. So all three games, these are open in the background, and you can see the how will they resume. So not only the games, you can see the YouTube is open, the app is open, and we had a streaming video here. We will quickly show you how the video streams. Then we have Chrome here. Chrome is with 6 tabs already. So with all this load, I mean, it's because having two or three games in background actually puts a lots of load. So let's quickly send it to the background, and we will just try to see how other games resume. So it is rather than showing that how gaming is on okay, because we have already done that in detail. It's rather we are trying to show here how the apps work, like multitasking works on Nokia 8 with Android 8.0. So now we will check the video streaming part a bit. So this is a popular Games of Thrones scene where Jon Snow meets one of the dragons for the first time. So here you are with the streaming, how the streaming works.
They're not beasts to me. We can only help them from a. want to
So as
help
you can
them.
see, the video streaming is
We
quite
can
good,
only help them from a
smooth,
position of strength.
and it works as it should work.
Sometimes strength is terrible.
Let's send it to the background. Let's come to the browser. Where exactly is the browser? Okay, yes. So the browser has 6 tabs here. You can see how easily it resumes. We will open one or two more tabs so that we can understand how fast it is in terms of opening the tabs, etc. So let's quickly open this. You can see how fast it is, like in terms of loading or rendering the pages. It's very like it's a blazing fast actually. So I'm very impressed. Just by touching you can feel that it gets loaded so fast. So this is amazing actually. I really liking. I'm somehow I see that the performance is a bit higher, a bit better than what it was on 7.1.1. You may feel I think the same if you try it yourself. So we saw the browsing, we saw how the games resume so well from like when we do multitasking. We will check some more maybe. This is Play Store. Let's see how the Play Store works like on Nokia 8 with Android 8.0. It all is so fast. Quite impressive, if you ask me. There is Sniper 3D, the game. We can open the camera to see how fast the camera behaves actually with all this load. Open the background. So, oh, okay. So everything works a bit faster with Android 8.0 Oreo or Nokia 8. So hope you have liked this video where I try to demo how actually Nokia 8 feels like, behaves like, performs like with Android 8.0 Oreo on board, and we can say that safely say that it is bit better. It's not worse. It's bit better than what it used to be on Android 7.1.1. If you want to see what changes or features are there with Android 8.1 Oreo, 8.0 Oreo, then you can actually refer to our another video. So you just you can follow the link in the description to go to the article, and you can follow the video where, or you can just search with Oreo on a Nokia power user, so that you can check the video where we have demoed the Android 8.0 Oreo features in detail. So with that, we come to the end of this video. Hope you have liked this, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.